This is the brief on a really critical, developing situation up in the Himalayas. Some new dangers have just popped up. Okay, so just a few days back, right, a massive landslide near Harsil in Uttarakhand completely changed the scene, blocking a key stream. Now, my team sent up drones, and what we found, well, it's pretty concerning. Two brand new lakes are actually forming behind all that debris. And look, this isn't just some pretty picture. It's a serious early warning. Think of it like a ticking clock for potentially huge floods in a place that's already vulnerable. So, first thing, this huge landslide came down on September 4th near Harsil, Uttarakhand, and blocked the Telgad stream. Now, the State Disaster Response Force, the SDRF, they tried to check it out, but the weather was bad. So we got our drones in the air, and on September 6th, bingo. We quickly spotted these two new lakes building up behind that massive blockage. That quick find gave us a crucial heads up on a crisis in the making. Second point, these aren't just ponds, okay? They're what we call landslide-dammed lakes. Basically, the landslide junk acts like a dam, but it's super unstable. If that natural dam breaks, under the water pressure especially, with the monsoon rains we're still getting, it could send a devastating flood rushing downstream. You know, kind of like those glacial lake outburst floods, or GLFs. It's a very real danger in an area that's unfortunately seen disasters like this before. And finally, what's happening at Telgad really just hits home how fragile the Himalayas are, you know, with climate change and everything we humans do. But here's the key takeaway now. This whole event shows how real-time aerial data, like from our drones, gives us this small but absolutely life-saving window to maybe act before disaster hits. It's changing how we handle prevention. My teams, we're working flat out with the SDRF, monitoring things, figuring out next steps. Maybe a controlled water release, maybe digging out debris. So yeah, these new Harsil lakes, they really show nature's incredible power, but also how crucial these new early warning systems are becoming.